Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is my Allure beauty box for the month of February. I'll pop deets right here. Let me grab some scissors and get the box open. I hope everybody is well. How are you doing? Do you have any birthdays coming up, special events? And what are you doing for Valentine's Day? I'd like to know. If you're unfamiliar with Allure beauty box, you would have seen deets. This box, above kind of most subscription boxes, I always find is a little bit more skincare focused, which is what I love about the box. It's also sometimes like the latest and greatest, newest launches and new releases, but it is also the best of the best products. It is Allure Beauty, you know, best of the best picks and things like that. So I always feel like I get a great bang for my buck, and I always feel like we get beautiful skincare in the subscription. Very quickly, the palette of the day is the Nomad Ireland Wild Atlantic Way palette. This was gifted, and I do have an affiliated code with Nomad Cosmetics. It's Riri10 for 10% off. But I was feeling all the green vibes and wanted to do something a little different for today, and you guys generally ask, so that is the palette of the day. All right on top, we do get an informative pamphlet. We'll go through the deets when we're done. We got a little coupon and stuff in here, which I love. First thing, right on top is the Cuccio Natural Luxury Spa Revitalizing Roll-On Cuticle Oil in Milk and Honey. That sounds great. And I do like to do my nails. I try to keep up with my nails as best as I can. Next up, this is the CNP Propolis Lip Serum. I guess just like a lip balm. CNP Laboratory. We'll have to look up on that. I love the freaking packaging, and if it is a lip product, it definitely feels kind of weighty and heavy and substantial, so I'm already liking where we're going. Next up, I'm actually currently just used this 5 seconds ago. This is the Sephora Waterproof Express Waterproof Makeup Remover. It is a little mini. And then in the case that you're new here and you're asking why I flip things to the side, if it's standing straight up, this does fit in frame. But if it's something that's longer, when I put it up to frame, you guys, you don't see the entire product. So I would have to just kind of go up and down with it. Therefore, I just kind of put it here for you guys so you guys can see the entirety of the package. But then, of course, when I hold it back here when I'm talking about deets, I hold it up vertically, just in the case you're curious. Next up is the Ouzo Black Liquid Eyeliner. I've never heard of Ouzo, which that's fine. I don't mind getting brands that I've not heard of. Okay, next up, a brand I'm very familiar with. This is the First Aid Beauty or FAB Bronze and Glow Drops with niacinamide, safe for sensitive skin. This is a full size. I do actually want to look at these really quickly. And I like products like these mostly in the summertime to just kind of aid in giving a little bit more of like a bronzy glow. It is a twisty tube, or a squeezy tube. It's a little thicker than some, which I actually like the consistency of this one. I feel like a little bit better. I like the shade of this. So I generally go in just with this and sunscreen, or I will go in with a product like this underneath my foundation and kind of work from there. Wipe that off. That's really nice. I might actually keep that. I don't use these often, and you guys know I'm very mindful about waste, but I might actually keep those. And then last up, Sadia, the Solid Perfume in the shade Braless, which is leather and vanilla. Y'all know I have a love-hate relationship with fragrance, and I can't lie about how it smells. I am going to smell it really quickly. The packaging, really nice. All that for this. Holy, you could beat somebody's ass with this. Wow, that's excessive packaging. Oh, that though is freaking stunning, y'all. That is heavy as hell. Wow. Okay, let's see how it smells. Yeah, it is not for me. Okay. If you love, and I just don't like leathery, I don't like woodsy, I don't like overtly musky, or I'm a very gourmand, light floral, light sweet. Packaging though, freaking amazing. Like, that feels incredible. If this was a scent that I was gonna, you know, use and keep, I would love the packaging on this. This is absolutely incredibly beautiful. Alrighty, we're gonna run down some deets. And what I love about this, and I honestly wish other subscription boxes would kind of take note, if you will, I like that they're very thorough in saying, here's what we picked, here's why we chose it, here's how you use it, the cost and stuff like that, and we generally get a discount code as well. So first up is the Sadia, the solid perfume in Braless or Soaked. Why you'll love it. Behold, the chicest, most carry-on friendly fragrance on the market we've ever tried, and now in your hands. Inside, it's sleek, black, compact. You'll find one of the 2 wax-based solid scents you chose to receive in your box. Braless, a milky floral with notes of violet, vanilla cream, and musk, or Soaked, a warm, woody scent with notes of cypress, cedarwood, and amber. Amber. How you'll use it. Press and swirl your finger into the smooth surface perfume, then delicately rub onto your pulse points. Repeat throughout the day. Retail price is $48 for 0.13, so this is $48 more than the price that we pay for the entirety of the box. We do have a promo code. Shop at sadiathebrand.com. Receive 15% off with code Allure15, valid through October 1st. Wow. Alrighty. Next up is the Fab or First Aid Beauty Bronze and Glow Drops with Niacinamide. Why you'll love it. Winter winds got you down? Fake a vacation glow with a single serum. This one, loaded with soothing niacinamide and glimmering micro pearls. The result is more subtle sheen than off-season sun-kissed, if that's what you're going for, but it's buildable. How you'll use it, dribble a drop or 2 of the liquid bronze into your morning moisturizer as a mix-in or an all-over gleam, or wear it solo as a serum, follow up with sunscreen, or as a highlighter topped onto your cheekbones. This is $28 for 30 ml. This is a full size, again, pretty much worth the price of the box. There is not a discount code here. Okay, next up is the Ouzo Black Liquid Liner. Why you'll love it. Crafting the perfect cat eye takes time, patience, and practice, but this liquid liner makes mastering the skill a little easier. Its satin finish and ultra-fine tip foster a smooth and precise glide across the lids, while the waterproof formula ensures your work of art doesn't budge, no matter the forecast. How you'll use it, prep your pen with a swift shimmy shake, then draw a quick flick off the outer corner of your eye, move to the middle of your lid and sweep the felt tip outward until the line connects. Fill in to build up your desired shape and thickness. Where to buy it? ouzobeauty.com. Receive 20% off with code Allure20, valid through April 1st, 2026. I do not think I'm going to use this solely based on the satin finish. I like an eyeliner that dries fully matte, but that's personal preference. Next up, I'm intrigued about this product. CNP Laboratory Propolis Lip Serum. Why you'll love it. Don't be intimidated by this balm's thick texture. It melts down like butter the second it hits lips. We'll see. And while we don't recommend eating it, the ingredients list is delicious. Earthy, antioxidant-rich Manuka honey and anti-inflammatory resin-like propolis extract lead the moisture-packed list. How you'll use it. Twist the bottom to dispense your desired dollop and either swipe your finger across the opening or press it directly to the lips. This result is a seriously soft, smooth, and hydrated look and feel. It is $17.90 for 15 mils. That's pretty affordable for something like this. I think it's going to be similar to like the Fenty one that I absolutely love. And you can purchase it at Ulta. There is not a discount code. I am actually going to try this, y'all. I mean, I live for a lip treatment. So that is what it looks like outside of the packaging. So we're gonna twist it from the bottom. You see the little hole there. I am a little nervous about it saying it's very thick, but the Fenty one is pretty thick too until you kind of put it on. Am I twisting the wrong? Okay, there we go. Oh, alrighty. Okay, yeah, it's quite dense, quite thick. Think thick petroleum jelly. Let me wipe off the little bit of oil. Ooh, that's nice. It's not thick once on the lips. I would definitely reuse this. Oh my gosh. And it smells divine. Whoa, okay, I love that. Alrighty, next up is Our Cuccio Natural, the cuticle oil and milk and honey. Why you'll love it. Mess-free cuticle oil? Yes, please. This easy-to-use portable roller ball is filled to the brim with moisturizing milk and nourishing honey to keep dry hands hydrated long after you apply. How you'll use it. Jiggle the vial before running the roller ball across the base of your nails and cuticles. Massage in the excess oil, then pop the vial in your bag because it's great to use on the go. This is $5.69. Where to buy it? shopcuccio.com. Receive 20% off with code Allure20, valid through December 31st. And then last up, we have our Sephora Collection Express Waterproof Makeup Remover. Why you'll love it. Liquid eyeliner, sparkly shadow, sweat-proof mascara. Choose your opponent. Then wipe it out with this dual phase formula. Cornflower extract and castor oil soothe and moisturize lids and lashes, while silky silicones help obliterate stubborn makeup. How you'll use it. After a quick swirl, sprinkle a few drops onto a cotton round or reusable cloth and gently press onto the closed eyelids. Lightly massage until makeup disappears. Rinse and repeat if necessary. This is $18 for 200 mils. We got 20 mils. And like I said, this is currently in my rotation and I absolutely love it. If you've tried like the Clinique one, things like that, this works just as well. It is quite comparable. So much so I'm sticking it right here in my drawer and I will be keeping that. So that is it. That is my Allure beauty box for the month of February. I think it is a beautiful selection, a beautiful curation of products. Like I said, it tends to gear a little bit more kind of treatment heavy, skincare heavy, which I am a fan of. That's the reason, specifically I get this particular box. I'm gonna give it 5 out of 5 as I usually do. What did you think of this month's selection? And what are some of your favorite skincare products? I'd like to know. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. You can hype the video. You can turn on notifications so you never miss one of my videos. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.